Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I made this lovely yummy buns. I call this buns cake buns. So beautiful and lovely dropping buns. Let's start. Okay, here are my ingredients. You need your flour, your milk, that's evaporated milk, vanilla flavor, baking powder, sugar, butter. This cinnamon, you can use nutmeg, eggs and salt. First, I'll be measuring out my flour. For this buns recipe, all I need is 500 grams of flour. Yes, if you want to measure with your cups, you will measure 4 cups and half. Yes, for this 500 grams of flour. For the butter, I'll be using 125 grams, 125 grams of butter. Yes. For the sugar, 6 tablespoons of sugar, not full spoons but leveled spoons. For the baking powder, half tablespoon of baking powder. Cinnamon, let me just say 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. You can use nutmeg instead. Half teaspoon of salt. For the milk, I'm measuring out 1 cup and I will add water to make it 1.5 cup. If you have only liquid milk, please add your own up to get this 1.5 cup. This is what you need. Crack your egg and you whisk with your spoon a little to mix the yolk and the white particle. So here is my butter. I place in the microwave to melt out a little. Pour in your butter and you start creaming, adding the sugar and cream up to 1 to 2 minutes. All dry ingredients together, the cinnamon or your nutmeg, baking powder, salt, all together to the flour. Stir and you set aside. Okay, right now you pour in your eggs. Mix very well. You add in your vanilla flavor. Half teaspoon of vanilla flavor. I'm using industrial flavor. So if you have normal regular flavor, you can put up to a teaspoon. Stir together and you start adding a little of the milk, a little of the dry ingredients. This is why I call this buns cake buns. The process is as if you're baking cake because, and again, it tastes like cake. So you need to try this out this festive period for your family so that everybody will come thanking you after enjoying themselves. This buns is given. I mean it. This is the best buns ever I have tried. I keep trying the recipe again and again, making it very easy for everyone. Yes, the first time I tried it is as if the process is hard, but if you watch this video to the end, you notice this is the easiest process to make this buns, and the outcome was still the same. The taste was still yummy and lovely. You see that? Pour all your dry ingredients and the remaining milk and you set aside to start frying. That is all. If you notice your own butter is very light, feel free to add a little bit of flour to it for you to be able to mold it. I normally mold the way I mold my puff puff. So this is deep frying method, so make sure you have enough oil for this. If you're new to this channel, this is your first time of watching my video, you're welcome to Progressive Recipe. Do well by subscribing, join this lovely family. Feel free to share to your friends and family, and also don't forget to comment. Feel free to like this video. It's time to fry. Allow your oil to hot for a while. I place the first texting you notice is not okay, to show that the oil is not ready. When the oil is ready, your buns will pop up. Yes, that is what I'm looking for the buns to come up. That to show you that the oil is ready. Don't mind the color of this oil. I have used this oil before. That is why the color is this way. I normally save my frying oil so for a while. So take your time to do this. Please mold the way you want. The main thing, the text is amazing. Make sure your oil is on a low heat so that these buns will be able to fry and cook inside also. Yes, take your time to do this. I bet you the outcome will be wow. This is golden bun, so we are looking for that beautiful golden shining brown. Look at that. Look at that beauty. Look at that. So this is ready. Look at that golden brown color. That is what I'm looking for. So like I said before, if today is your first time of seeing this video, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Join this lovely family. We cook, we bake, we decorate cakes. So feel free. I bet you will learn a lot. And also feel free to check out my other videos. You are going to enjoy this channel. Subscribe. Subscription is free, just for you to be getting alerts of my newest video. Whenever I drop new video, you will get an alert. Feel free to ask questions. Feel free to comment. Share to your friends and family, and don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to like this video. So my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your likes, comment, sharing. I appreciate. Thanks a million. Okay, take your time to still get that purely golden brown we are aiming for. Okay, our buns is ready. Look at that. Okay, checking the inside is so yummy. Oh my god, look at the beauty. Please don't forget to make this for your children in this holiday season, this festive period. Enjoy with your friends and family. I love you all. Bye.